Every morning starts the same way. A freezing seat, a violent flush, and the illusion of being clean with dry paper. You wouldn't wipe chocolate off your hand with a dry tissue, so why are you doing exactly that every single day? Maybe you tried a $40 bidet, ice cold water, no dryer, and a bathroom that looked like an unfinished plumbing project. That was the cheap upgrade trap. There is a better way. It's called the Bazyths ZY760A. From the moment you enter, this toilet is different. Seamless one-piece design, clean lines. It belongs in a boutique hotel, not a hardware store. Walk toward it and the lid opens on its own. A proximity sensor lifts it before you even arrive. No touching, no germs. Prefer full hands-free? A foot sensor at the base opens the lid or triggers a flush without any contact at all. The ambient lighting ring glows with 64 customizable color levels, and a soft built-in nightlight guides you in at 3 a.m. without the jarring overhead blast. This is not a bathroom appliance. This is a sanctuary. But the real magic happens inside the bowl before you even sit down. Before every use, the ZY760A automatically releases a high-density foam barrier that coats the bowl. It blocks splashback, traps odors before they escape, and prevents waste from bonding to the ceramic. Less scrubbing, fewer stains, a fresher bathroom every time. Combined with a rimless ceramic bowl, no hidden under-rim grooves where bacteria breed, this is hygiene built into the architecture of the toilet itself. Not a spray, not a cover-up, a structural solution. Once the bowl is prepped, the ZY760A shifts its focus entirely to you. 4 precision wash modes: rear, feminine, oscillating, and warm to cool, with fully adjustable water temperature, pressure, and spray position. Every use is tailored exactly to you. The nozzle self-cleans before and after every use, and when you want a deeper manual clean, it detaches completely in seconds. No tools, no effort. That level of hygiene access simply doesn't exist on cheap attachments. When you're done, the warm air dryer finishes the job. 4 temperature settings up to 131 degrees, leaving you completely dry and genuinely clean. No paper needed. And the heated seat activates the instant you sit down. That 3 a.m. ice chalk is permanently over. After the wash cycle, you need a flush that matches the rest of the system. Most smart toilets take 10 to 15 seconds to flush. The ZY760A does it in 4, and you can barely hear it. The built-in tank pressurizes its own water reserve completely independent of your home's plumbing, so low water pressure is irrelevant. Powerful and consistent every time, while saving a family of 4 the equivalent of 2,800 water bottles per year. The soft closed lid drifts shut silently 2 minutes after you leave, and a built-in battery backup keeps the flush running even during a power outage. You are never stranded. Powerful and quiet, but what makes it truly yours is how it remembers you. The ZY760A stores 2 complete user profiles: seat temperature, water temperature, drying heat, wash mode, all saved and restored with a single button press. Your preferences loaded instantly every time. Activate one twist quick mode and a full wash, automatic flush, and warm dry cycle runs on its own, completely hands-free. Your only job is to walk away feeling clean. This toilet doesn't just serve you, it remembers you. And when you put it all together, the Bazyths ZY760A isn't just a toilet upgrade, it's a complete change in how your day starts. Automatic lid, foot sensor, foam shield, heated seat, 4-in-1 bidet with a self-cleaning detachable nozzle, warm air dryer, 4-second silent flush, dual user memory, ambient lighting. All of it under $800. Which feature would be the biggest game changer for your morning routine? Tell me in the comments, I read every one. And if you're ready to upgrade your daily ritual for good, the official link to the ZY760A is in the description below.